Hi everyone, it's Tammy and Waylon and Winnie and Tasman. I don't know if you can see all of them, but they are all here. And we have a bark box. And here's me, hi! And I have crazy puppies. Hey guys, let's look at this. Do you guys want to see what's in the box? What's in the box? Let's see. Oh, no Taz, don't get in there. Looky guys. Hey, looky. Return of Franken toys. What's in here? What's in here? Is this your guys' bark box? Oh my goodness. Well, they took the toys. There's some treats though. There's some Franken snacks, apple pumpkin dog cookies, a beef chew, and some beef spinach treats. That sounds disgusting. I'd probably like it. I don't know what I'm talking about, but and then there's a little thing in here, watch out Taz, that shows some of the things I guess that you could get. So let me see. They're playing with the toys, so they seem to like those. I'm going to try the beef and spinach kind. Let's see. Taz is interested in the food, I can tell. He is very food driven. This is what these look like. Nasty. And he is seeming to like it. What about you, Waylon? You want a treat? You like it? Winnie, you want one too? Oh, they love them. Are these dog approved? Sit. Sit. Good job. Can Mama see your toys? What'd you get? What toys did you get? Oh, look at this little ballerina toy. It's like a fish ballerina thing. Just silly crazy. And Waylon is over here with the treats. Oh, they want the treats. They like these, guys. I will give them a few more. Good job sitting, Waylon. Sit, puppies, sit. Good job, Waylon. Good job, Winnie. Taz, good job. Sorry this is so crazy. This isn't the best video in town, I'm sure. But the treats are a hit. I need to put these up. And let's try the apple pumpkin treats. See if they like these just as well. So far, so good. Oh, these are like big chunks of treats. Ooh, those smell really good. Looky. Those actually smell really, really good, and they seem to love both of them. Yay! Are those good, Winnie girl? Are those good, Waylon boy? Are those yummy, yummy treats? What's your other toy? Let's see your other toy. Come here. Let's get your other toy. Can you get your other toy for Mama? What is it? What's this one? It says mix and match and play. Oh. You know what I think that they do? Look at this. You can take them apart and mix and match the parts. So it can be a ballerina fish or a ballerina seagull. And you can just have the legs. That's kind of fun. So no wonder it's called Frankenstein. Come, Mama. Let's do that side. Let's make the fish have a tail. I guess fish usually have tails, but have a mouse tail. And they're in here because they smell that food. Okay, let's see. Let's see. You guys can have this. This is a beef stick or something. I can't read it. I don't have my glasses on. It is a duck recipe, Play-Doh pet treats. I'm gonna have to divide this into thirds. Sit, sit. Taz is a good boy. Sit, good boy. Sit, Winnie. Winnie. sit. Sit. She's not sitting. But the commotion of it all. Well, I think everything was a big hit. The dogs seem to really like the treats, especially those beef and spinach ones and the apple cinnamon ones. That one he left a little bit of, but they seem to all be enjoying that too. So, so far, everything from BarkBox has been really good. The dogs really seem to like it. And they seem to last okay. And these guys are pretty heavy chewers. So that's kind of fun that you can mix and match all of those. I didn't even realize that until I started to play with it. But it's fun doing the box, unwrapping with the boy and the girl and the boy. Isn't it, Tasman? Guys? See, I like it, Mama. Watch out, come over here, because they want to see you. They want to see that pretty Waylon and that pretty Winnie and that pretty Tasman do. They want to see all you pretties. And see how big they are? Oh my gosh. They have really gotten big. There's Winnie Girl and Tasman. And Waylon is in trying to find something. But I'm going to close out. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And try to get a BarkBox. Your dogs will like them, I think.